Here we have a 2012 Putzmeister TK40, serial number 3127. This is an as-is condition right now. We're going to be doing some work on it, of course. We're going to be replacing the lights, the outriggers, all the stuff inside of the hopper. Probably the hopper grate. Well, actually, it's in pretty good shape. We're going to be removing wear parts. We're going to be removing some of the bearings that are messed up. Those are going to be taken care of. We're gonna be doing the tires, we're gonna be doing the bearings, we're gonna be doing the wires for the brakes and the actual brakes. We're gonna be doing engine service. The whole thing is gonna be serviced. We already tested, pressure tested and compression tested that engine. We're gonna be replacing the hydraulic oil, the filter, the restriction gauge, all the pressure gauges, accumulator, hydraulic pump, the cable on the throttle for the engine, the side gauge for the temperature. We're gonna be refreshing here this control panel. We obviously gonna be painting it. We're gonna be not a whole lot. The machine looks in pretty good shape, but still we're gonna straighten up some of this metal. We're gonna be replacing the fenders that are messed up. We're gonna be doing that. Let me see if the material cylinders have to be replaced. We'll replace them. We'll take a look at them anyways. We'll replace the battery. We'll make sure that all the electronics work. We'll make sure that that engine works perfectly too, as well as check all the proximity switches. We'll replace the piston cups. That's a given. Every single machine gets that. We're gonna clean it, we're gonna wash it, and we're gonna make it look gorgeous. I'll show you a quick sample of one that is about to leave. That is the same model, and it came in exact same condition. Of course, we're gonna be checking all the hydraulic assemblies here, like the agitator control valve, the e-stop for the hopper grate. We'll replace this right here, and we'll put the right one on, the 5-inch outlet. And this machine will be delivered in 3-4 weeks after we start. Let me show you a sample. All right, and as I say, here's a sample of a unit that came just like that other one. Now this is orange. Obviously the other one is blue. So, but it'll look kind of like this. Look at the quality to detail right here. All of these things will be taken care of. Hydraulic assemblies and the paint, the stickers, the whole thing. This is not 100%. This still has a little bit work to do, but that's kind of like the way it's gonna look. Thank you.